Must have now.
Yes.
I believe it. My goodness.
Unfortunately, we have no snow heading this way, so that's a good thing.
Not with this latest storm system,
okay.
that's for sure. Yeah, it's too warm for that
Yep.
at this point. We've definitely seen a drop on the thermometer, though. We showed you that deficit from yesterday with the 24-hour temperature difference, but it's still too warm even at this point with rain moving in to see anything but plain old rain. So you don't have to worry about any icing this time. Certainly no snow, that's for sure. But down the road, much colder air will settle in. You'll see that in the 7-day. Let's back it up, though, talk about what's happening out there right now, which at the moment is just building cloud cover. You take a look outside here from one corner of our building here in the Spring Garden section of the city, and you can see broad Spring Garden streets. Yeah, it's just cloudy at this point. No wet weather to speak of just yet. A couple of imperfections. Looks like maybe even just some flecks of dirt here on the camera lens. No raindrops yet, though it may look like that. That's not what that is. Not yet anyway, but the next couple of hours do begin at least to go downhill. And here's the storm system in question. Yeah, you see the rain snow lines just too far north at this point. Even for the Poconos, it's chilly up that way, but not cold enough to support any icing. So I'm looking strictly at some rainfall out of this event, but it will be moving in just in the next couple of hours. So as we had mentioned earlier in the show, I'm thinking about the time, give or take, that the kids are getting out of school for the north and westmost counties. You can see that leading edge trying to nudge in already, but it is a couple of hours away at this point. Meanwhile, all the while, clouds are just thickening and thickening and thickening. Even despite that really nice sunrise we had, it's going downhill from this point forward. Now, future weather's trying to back this up a little bit. I'm not necessarily sold that the timing pans out exactly like this, but what it does show is how overspreading this will become. It's certainly a much wider spread event than what we saw yesterday, where we had a little bit of drizzle come in. This is going to be where everybody gets hit with some rain, and some of it will be locally drenching at times. This is 10 o'clock tonight. And then later on, that first batch works its way out. What's really happening here is a couple of fronts moving through, and I'll show you the overall synoptic pattern in a second. How much rain are we talking out of this? This is from today's event through tomorrow and even into Friday morning. Even still, we're not expecting much more than a couple tenths of an inch. So it should be from an inch or under across the region as a whole, which would mean we don't have to worry about any kind of major flooding issues this time. Here's that synoptic look I promised you, basically just tracking the overall pattern here. So we've got the warm front that's lifting in. Yeah, there's actually another warming trend about to get underway here. You'll see. But with that warm front comes the potential for more wet weather. And then we end up here with, again, some colder air coming in the wake of the cold front. That's going to cross on Friday. So we should still hit about 60 degrees on Friday morning, still with lingering showers. But then as skies start to clear, the wind picks up. We start to see those temperatures drop off. And because we're looking ahead here to such vast temperature swings in the next couple of days, you get a lot of freezing and a lot of thawing going on. So we just had a lot of snow melting from yesterday and the day before, and now we've got fresh rain on the way, right? So all of that water is going to seep through the cracks of the pavement, and as the cold air settles in again, the roadway will expand and ends up leading to potholes. So if you ran into more of them in the next few days, there are already quite a few out there, that's a big part of the reason why. We do have a pretty substantial drop off though, right? I mentioned that 60-degree high. We'll hit that early on Friday as the cold front's crossing through, and once that's gone, come Saturday morning, you're stuck way back in the 20s. Now that's a low. It's not your daytime high, but you see a pretty drastic drop going on here. By Saturday, we're at best in the mid-30s, so you'll really notice that temperature difference. The long and short of it is this. You can't get used to the warmth that we've experienced lately, even though it does come back briefly. It's going right back away again. So the sun will shine throughout the weekend, but a winter chill in the air, and then into early next week, still many days away, but into early next week, there's some signs anyway that we could be facing a new storm system at that point. So we'll certainly keep an eye on it, but important to note again, it is still many days away. Lots can change. Okay, thank you, Katie.
Thank you, Katie. Appreciate it.